Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how this YouTube will keep on recommending a video for us based on our interest? So for example, let's consider some scenario like you are watching some videos which is related to music. So then YouTube will keep on recommending videos which is related to music only. So after some time you changed your mind, then started to watch a videos which is related to sports. Then YouTube will start recommending a videos which is related to sports only. So quickly YouTube recommendation will get changed automatically. How it will get changed? Do you have any idea about that? So there is a powerful machine learning algorithms or some other algorithm will be working behind the scene. In order to work on that, we have to know that how to handle the data and all those things. All those topics which comes under the data science. Okay. So yes, today we are discussing about the data science topic. So let's consider one more scenario like Amazon or Flipkart. So some e-market. So e-commerce will bring their great offers based on some timeline. So for example, in India, usually they will come up with a great offer in the month of October or September or November. In these 3 months, they will coming up with a great sales. Why? Because in that time only people will going to purchase more and more amount of some products or many other things they will going to purchase it. In that time, their business will going to improve rapidly compared to other days. So that is the reason Amazon or Flipkart, some other e-commerce maybe, they will going to launch their great offer or some of their product in the month of October only. So how they will get to know? We have to launch our product that too in India only because they will analyze that trend. How they will analyze? They will going to collect a lot of data from various sector and based on people interest they will going to collect a huge data, right? Then they will pass all those data into machine learning algorithm. So machine learning algorithm will be working based on some statistics. Okay. So based on statistics, it will find some trend and it will going to suggest some output. Okay. Based on that only, Amazon or Flipkart, some other things, they will going to make some decision in which time they has to launch their product to get more profit. So in order to get answer for all their questions, we will be learning data science. So data science will give you answer for all these questions. Okay. So let's understand what is data science. So basically data science is an interdisciplinary field. So it's use some algorithms or some statistical methods, some mathematics, and some computer knowledge also, computer programming knowledge also it will going to use it. Based on that, it will going to solve the problem. Okay. So here you can see it's a combination aspects of statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge. So all this combinedly we will say data science. Okay. So data science means statistics we will be using in order to analyze the data, or if you want to find some pattern in that particular data, we will going to use the statistics. So after that, we can't do it manually, right? Statistics. We can't do all the statistics. That is such a huge data. We have like some 10,000, 20, or sometimes even a lack of rows. We will getting lack of rows and 1,000 columns. Maybe we will get it right. In that situation, how can we analyze such a huge data with our mind or manually? That is not impossible. I don't say it is impossible, it is possible, but it will take some lot of time. That is the reason we have to use that in programming language. Through a programming language we will going to analyze all the data. For that is the reason we will going to learn a programming language also along with the statistics. So and domain knowledge, so we want some domain knowledge also. If you want to work on some particular area, so for example like mm, Amazon, so in the Amazon which month what they want to launch it, right? They want to launch some product, right? So product people has to purchase in the October month. So usually that in India, if Indians in what kind of product they are interested in India, that things they have to launch it. So for example, if they don't have domain knowledge, like for example, they were going to launch some other product which is irrelevant to the Indians. If they launch that, will the Indians going to purchase those products? No, right? They will not going to purchase the product. So they have to launch their product which is related to Indians only. So that there the domain knowledge comes into the picture. So all this combinedly we will say data science. Okay. So first we can use this data science to make some decision or predictive analysis what may be happening in the future. Like for example, we can predict the weather report also, we can going to predict it, weather casting, those kind of things we can do it using data science also. And we can make some quality of decision using this. So for example, Amazon, in which month they has to launch their product in order to get their better product. Okay. So for example, if they launch some product on January, in that month there is no such a festival, so then it is waste of time, right? So they have to make some decision in order to get some better improvement in the or better profit in their domain or into the particular organization. Then they will going to identify which month will be the better. That is the decision making we will see. Okay. So we can implement this data science in decision making and predictive analysis and even some problem solving also. This is about the data science. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.